So today I'm going to show you why it's important to get your ventilation cleaned out routinely. You can see there's lint everywhere and was already burning up actually over here. Look at that. That could have been a pretty bad fire. It's only a 7-year-old dryer. Ventilation was cleared out about 5 years ago. So, looks like we're going to need a new idler and also a new belt for it. As you can see, it's all burned up as well. So this is the first step, actually, disassembling the whole dryer, cleaning it out, and this one is salvageable. So here's the cleaned out dryer. Cleaned out the rollers, all the components. No lint, no sign of fire. And luckily on this dryer we can disconnect the main vent from the inside and clear out the rest of the vent that runs into the wall. So it saves us time. And you can see the inside portion is completely clogged, and that's going to go all the way inside the house. So step 2 is actually cleaning the ventilation line. So we got our shop vac hooked up to our little Y coupler, and it's connected into this little brush that spins around and goes inside the vent while you're sucking out all the lint out of there at the same time. And like I said, this time we can actually disassemble inside vent from the dryer. It leads to the back inside the house, and we'll clean everything out really nice. So we're going on our last extension over here for today. So we're about 12 feet in at this point. So we're way inside the house, cleaning out the vents inside the house. So all the way through here, all the way inside the house. And then we're going to check the airflow. And now we're at the outside of the house, and I got stuck, but that's because it came out the vent. As you can see, pushed out some lint with it as well. And that's what we're looking for, to go through the whole dryer, the whole house, get everything cleaned out nicely. So now we got really good airflow coming out of here. You can hear it. And the completed job. Nice and clean. So basically that's what's out of that vent and dryer. If you have pets, please clean your ventilation systems every 2 to 4 years max. Same thing with your dryer. Well, dryer you can do about 3 to 5 years depending on what kind of pets you have and how clogged your ventilation system is. But there is a chance of setting on fire. So yeah, this is kind of what we do and how we help out people, prevent fires, and save you guys money. Your machine will run a lot more efficient. Thank you very much for checking us out, and please like us and give us a good review on Yelp.